moments away from the green flag to the 66th annual Mobil 1 12 Hours of Sebring and the 3 3/4 mile circuit that even in the names of the corners tell the history of endurance racing. Jean de Bienne, Christiansen, Gurney, Le Mans, they're all represented here on this historic tarmac and even more historic concrete. There's really nothing else quite like Sebring. Not the racetrack, hashtag respect the bumps, not the atmosphere in this spring break holiday destination it seems to be, where the devoted of endurance racing come to worship every March. Take a breath now, ladies and gentlemen. It might be that for the first few hours and more, it'll be the last chance you have to have a good deep breath, because I've got a feeling the action early on is going to be fast and furious. It has been in the last few races here.